Good morning, children. How are you? See, third class children. What we have discussed yesterday in our last session, we have discussed about a story of a magic room, and related to that, we have discussed about an adjective and the exercise related to the adjective. Today, Nana, we have to discuss about synonyms and antonyms. Already, I gave brief explanation. Again, let us see, Nana. What do you mean by synonyms? Synonyms ante ఏంటమ్మా? Synonyms means nothing, meaning, means the word which gives the same meaning. Antonyms means nothing, children, it is the opposite. Antonyms means opposites. Synonyms means meanings, opposites. Antonyms means opposites. Is it clear? Now we have discussed one exercise, Nana. See, on page number 50 they have given you one exercise. Just I will write the word given in the bracket. For that you have to give correct antonym. First word they have given you, Nana, full. Next word they have given you, Nana, light. Next word they have given you rich. Okay, what they have given you? Rich. Next word they have given you hard. Okay, next word they have given you rough. What they have given you? Rough. Next word they have given you unfriendly. What they have given you? Unfriendly. Okay, in this way they have given you the words for which you have to write antonyms. This is exercise related to the antonyms. Next we will discuss about the synonyms. Now see, Nana, full ante ninda undadam. Khali danni emantam manam? What we will call? Empty. Full, empty. What is the opposite of full? Empty. Or you can say, what is the antonym of full? Antonym of full means empty. Light, dark. What is the antonym of light, Nana? Dark. Rich opposite or rich antonym? Poor. What is the antonym of rich? Poor. What is the antonym of hard? Soft. What is the antonym of hard, Nana? Soft. Rough, smooth. What is the antonym of rough, Nana? Smooth. Unfriendly, friendly. What is the opposite of unfriendly? Friendly. Here they have given you 6 antonyms. What they have given you? 6 blanks. Once I am reading the blanks. When we arrived at the party, the house was dash. They have given you full. Full opposite we have to write. Full antonym you have to write. Empty. Second blank. Look, it is already getting dash outside. They have given you light. You have to write dark. Next blank they have given you a lot of dash people live in this part of the town. Poor they have given you rich, you have to write. Poor they have given you, Nana, rich you have to write. I reversed. Rich you have to write. Okay, here also I reversed, Nana. This bed is very dash and comfortable. Hard they have given to you, soft you have to write. Okay, the baby's skin is very dash. Rough they have given you in the bracket. What is the antonym of rough? Smooth. Our new neighbors are really dash. Unfriendly they have given, you have to write friendly. Now see, Nana, synonyms. They have given you one definition of the synonyms also. The word that exactly or nearly the same as the another word, or in a simple way. మీకు గుర్తుండాలని నేను ఇలా చెప్పాను. ఓకేనా? Now some synonyms. They have given you, Nana, matching. On page number 50 they have given you matching, children. If you observe page number 50, synonyms. I will write words and synonyms. We will discuss that. Okay, matching we are discussing. See page number 50. Okay, now see words, words and synonyms. Words and synonyms. First one, they have given you holiday. Holiday. Next they have given you enormous. Enormous. Okay, they have given you third one, attractive. Attractive. Fourth one they have given wet. Fifth one they have given you quick. Sixth one they have given you happy. Seventh one shine. Seven they have given numbering 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. See children, next one they have given here the brackets, means the correct word you have to write here the alphabet. First one they have given you sparkle. What they gave you, Nana? Sparkle. Second, what they gave you children? Glad. What they gave you? Glad. Okay, next see Nana, vacation. Vacation. Next Nana, D they have given you fast. What they have given you? Fast. E they have given you soggy. What they have given you? E Nana? Soggy. Okay. F they have given you hues. Hues. G, E, F, G. G they have given you interesting. What they have given you? Interesting. Okay, in this way they have given you the different words and they told us to write the synonyms. What they told us to write? Synonyms they have told us. Now holiday means what children? Holiday ante selavalu, leave. Holiday means vacation. Summer vacation antam kada. Summer vacation or summer holidays. So here you have to write, see, ఇది correct nana process, matching process. Enormous, very huge, very big. వచ్చిని ముందు రాసేసుకుందాం. Huge. Okay. Next children, happy. Happy ante glad, very glad. Shine. Sparkle. Shine, sparkle. Okay. Next children, quick, fast. You might also. Now here this is the two left. What left? Soggy, interesting. So attractive means interesting only, and we can write wet means soggy. So what are the synonyms? Holiday synonym vacation. Holiday, vacation. Holiday, vacation. Enormous, very big word. Huge they have given. Huge. Attractive, interesting. Attractive, interesting. Wet, wet, soggy. S-O-G-G-Y, soggy. Quick, fast. Quick, fast. Happy, glad. Happy, glad. Shine, sparkle. Shine, sparkle. In this way, today we have discussed Nana synonyms and antonyms. Okay. Next they have given one more. They have given one word and they have given two synonyms. You have to, two words they have given. You have to circle the synonym and underline the antonym of that word. Let us see the exercise, Nana. Both you have to find out here on page number 51. They have given you D. 51D. Both you have to write. See Nana, underline antony and circle synonym and circle synonym. Okay, first they have given old. For old they have given aged, young. Now these are the two words given to you. Now can you tell me what is the antonym? What is the opposite? Old opposite young. What we have to do? Underline. And old synonym aged. We have to circle. Next they have given you difficult. They have given us difficult. And they gave tough and easy. Difficult, easy. చాలా సార్లు నేర్చుకున్నాం. Difficult antonym easy and difficult synonym tough. Okay children. Next they have given you strange. What they have given us? Strange. And they have given familiar, familiar and odd, odd, odd. Strange ante unknown, unknown. Okay, strange means unknown. Odd, ఇక్కడ మనకి సినానిమ్ ఇచ్చాడు, ఇక్కడ మనకి సినానిమ్ ఇచ్చాడు. అన్నోన్, తెలియని వ్యక్తి. తెలియని వ్యక్తికి తెలిసిన వ్యక్తి అనేది మనకి ఆపోజిట్. బ్యూటిఫుల్, బ్యూటిఫుల్ మనకు తెలుసు ఆపోజిట్ అగ్లీ అని. అగ్లీ, ప్రిటీ. బ్యూటిఫుల్ మీన్స్ ప్రిటీ. ఓకే, సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు సర్కిల్ ప్రిటీ అండ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ opposite ugly. Next, last they have given I am writing here up. I will write shout. They have given what they gave you, shout, and they have given L, whisper, Y-E-L-L-L, whisper. Shout ante gettiga aravadam, to say loud voice. Shout means L. Whisper ante sorry here we have to underline. L means underline and whisper ante chinnaga cheppatam. This is the antonym. Okay, so in this way we have completed synonym and antonyms topic. Tomorrow regarding this lesson we have prepositions explanation and the exercise related to the preposition. Okay children, have a nice day all of you.